what's going on, guys? So we just did the front bumper last night, so today we're gonna do the rear bumper. The rears are probably even easier than the fronts. Let me show you guys the R400 rear bumper real quick. Okay, there you go. I don't know if you guys can see with the film on, but it has the exit coming out right here, and of course it has the vents right here. So the first thing you want to do with this, again, my videos are never DIY videos because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So usually it's just, you know, not instructions. It's just watch me, improvise. Watch me do as much as I can, and go look at YouTube. Yeah. Go look at someone else's YouTube and don't look at mine. Just know that I did it. All right, so you want to come in like on here, and you basically want to pull the panel out, and it's literally super easy. You unplug the light, and then there's like a hand twist thing to pull out this light. That's the first thing you want to do on both sides. All right, so you guys see there's a light, and then this is the hand screw thing I was talking about. You basically just unplug this and start untying this like that, and then it'll come out. It'll be kind of expensive. Oh shit. All right, so the next thing you want to do is, you can look on this side. I think there's 2 or 3 bolts. There's a T25. The whole car is made of a T25. You guys know. This is cut up, so it's even better for you guys to look at. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, cut those out, both sides, and then after that, you're basically just gonna take a flathead and just start wiggling this out right here. Because these are just clips. That's all it is. A flathead, it'd be preferably like a bigger one, but it's all right. And just kind of work it in here, because basically all you're doing now is taking this bumper off, like this, you know. You gotta be careful though, because you break the clip and you break the, you know what it is. Now, you go underneath, and it's another, I think 2 T25s on each side, right here. So there's 2 right here, 1, 2, and 2 over there. I'm not sure if it's actually both of them or just one of them, because it looks like this one's connected to the bumper for the V-lines. Actually, I think it's just this one. One here, one there. Nope, just one. There's, you don't have to come down, but there's one right here, another T25, and another T25 right here underneath it. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So those were the final ones. So it's 4 in the back, and boom. Oh shit, what is that? Some kind of sensor thing. Oh, tail lights.
There you go.
Not tail lights. What do you call it? I think, oh, it's right there. Nice. License plate light? Is that what it's called? Rocks. All right. Remind me I need that. Yeah.
We found out.
Hold on. Okay, so this side, the bottom doesn't have a hole. Maybe that makes sense.
Okay.
And these 2, and this one. Although this one only has 2 right here, and this one, there's supposed to be a hole here. There's not even a hole in the car. So that means like Volkswagen didn't drill a hole for that. Cause like, if there's a hole there and this bolt was missing, that just means that maybe someone else before me like took the bolt out and didn't put it in. But this straight up does not have a hole here. like Volkswagen forgot to drill. Like the machine forgot to drill in there. That's kind of crazy. Unless that's just how it is, and they were like, yeah, we're gonna do one less screw because it saves some money. So, all right, we're gonna put the other one on now. Okay, so I guess up to like a mini. I can't say that. Alright guys, so I actually drove the pick and pull to throw out the bumpers. Some people are saying to try to sell it still. I don't think it was gonna be worth it because it's all cut up and stuff. I did take everything out off of it though. Fog lights and all that, bezels and stuff, and I did the same for the rears. We're still waiting for the actual exhaust to come in, and hopefully I can mount that up to the bumper and stuff. So we'll have it coming out of the back. For now, it's kind of coming out of the side. And I think we have it a little away from the bumper. I think we have enough far away from the bumper. But I don't know. I might go to the O'Reilly's or whatever and get one of those like flex pipes and just cut one in half. Put one on one side, put one on one side that points down. So I know for sure the exhaust's not going onto the bumper. I went to AutoZone and picked up like another flex pipe kit thing right here. And if you guys haven't yet, this would be a good time to subscribe. I would appreciate you guys if you guys did subscribe, like, and comment on these videos. With that being said, I think we're gonna go home and put on this pipe. I think I'm gonna cut it in half. You guys will see. Just it's a temporary thing, but I think it'll be kind of cool, and we'll keep the bumper from basically melting if it does start shooting flames, because this tune does shoot flames. And you guys can already tell. If you guys didn't know that, go ahead and go watch the couple videos back where we went over the car shooting flames. Hey guys, I totally forgot to film it, but this is what I did with the flex pipe. So I got one of these kits like this. You gotta find the right pipe for you, or size for you. Comes with one of these, so I got two of them because I know I was gonna cut them in half. You guys see it, one half there, one half there. Clamps, boom. Now it's not gonna hit the bumper at all, and I can adjust it if I need to. It's a lot better than what it was. Still gotta get the exhaust to get this thing in. It's alright for now. So if you guys stayed for the whole entire video, I appreciate you guys a lot, and thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and please consider subscribing. If you don't want to, that's fine. If you do, go ahead. It's free. It's right down there below. Please give it a like if you like this content. See you guys on the next video. Peace.